Hi, a lot of our team members were asking us, how can I add in my Asana numbers like this? So for each section, like how can I number all my tasks with the numbers? And a few hours ago, I didn't know how to do it, but now I do. And that's why I want to share it with you as well as with our team. So it's very easy to do. Click on your profile, click on my settings, and here click on display, and here's like show task row number. If you uncheck this, as you can see, everything disappeared. If you check it back, display show task row number, and it will be back. So this is how you can do it. By the way, for more Asana videos, don't follow me. I always type in Paul Asana. He taught us how to use Asana and he's amazing. So just quick shout out to him. And if you like this video, thumbs up. And yeah, if you have any additional questions, please let me know. Thank you.